Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the driver brother, and this here for the serial. Here for the you tap the driver to look, driver to look, and please why search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for the official website. You click here and please why website loading. Okay, this here for official website, and if you this here for detect the automatic cure operating system, and this here for the operating system for the mobile and Linux and Mac, and for the Windows. I'm sure for you for the Mac, select here for the Mac, and you click for the Mac version. This here for the new version, make your life Mac 11. This here for the new version. And if you did click for the Mac 11 and you click here for the Mac 12 Live, click here. This here for the printer driver information. This here for information for you. This here for the Mac 12 Live, and install automatic your operating system include for the Mac 12 Live. And if you need if you install for the driver scanner, you click here, and this here for wireless setup, result, and this here for the iPrint and scanner plus scan for. Okay, and this video and the download driver for the Windows. And click back system operation and select here for the Windows 11, and this here for the Windows 11, and this here for the Windows 8 and Windows 9.1 driver, and this here for Windows 9 driver, and this here for Windows 7 driver, and this here for support your Windows Server. Okay, this video and the download driver Windows 11, like here for the version Windows 11 driver, and you click here, and please one website loading, and this here for the Windows 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 driver printer Windows 11, and this here for the full driver and software package for the Windows. And we recommended this download to get the mass functionality for you. And this here for the printer driver printer only, and printer and scanner only, not the Wi-Fi driver. And this here for the photoscript language emulator, and this here for the uh, support your wireless setup. If you did install driver, click here, and this here for management tool, and this here for the freeware update tool. Okay, and I'm recommendation for you. You download full driver and software package. This here for package for the printer, and include your all tool for the printer. Okay, you click here. Please what? This here for support your operating system version for the Windows 11, and this here for the include for the model you print, and scroll down. If you need to load, you click here download. That's what. Okay, this here for the printer download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please wait finish driver download. If you finish try for download, you click you double click here, or you click here to open, and you click file, double click file, and this here for you click next, and you click finish. This here for automatic install your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description of video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time.